How to attract hummingbirds to your garden. Hummingbirds are among the most interesting and colorful birds you'll ever see. They are found solely in the Americas and number more than 320 species. These elusive birds are around 3 inches long and weigh about 1/10 of an ounce. Hummingbirds have incredibly fast metabolisms, and can consume up to 12,000 calories each day. Here are some great ways to attract hummingbirds to your garden. 1. Be sure to plant red flowers. Bright red blossoms with a tubular form are most suitable for hummingbird pollination. Hummingbirds are drawn to red objects intuitively. Provide a plethora of natural nectar plants to provide refuge and attract the little insects that hummingbirds eat. Honeysuckle and trumpet creeper, which have tube-shaped red and orange blossoms, are typical hummingbird favorites. 2. Hang feeders filled with sugar water. Hummingbirds need to feed all the time since they burn up their energy fast. For attracting these flyers, nectar feeders are a common choice. Mix together 1 part white sugar to 4 parts water to make a homemade nectar. If you boil the mixture to eliminate any contaminants, it will last longer before spoiling. 3. Keep feeders clean. Sugar water that has begun to mold can be hazardous to hummingbirds. Make sure your feeders stay clean and that the nectar mixture is replaced at least every 3 or 4 days. If the nectar begins to cloud, clean the feeder and replace the nectar as soon as possible. 4. Make feeders easy to find. Hummingbird feeders should be put out a few weeks before hummingbirds are expected to arrive in the spring, and they should be left up until the birds migrate south in the fall. You may feed hummingbirds all year if you live in a region where they live year-round. Hummingbirds are always on the lookout for food sources, and it will be easier to attract them if you set feeders in a visible location. Use a hummingbird feeder with some bright red on it and place it where birds flying by from afar may see it. 5. Hummingbirds need space. Hummingbirds have evolved to automatically guard their food sources, even if they're at feeders with a limitless supply. Because males are fiercely territorial, keep feeders at least 15 feet apart. It's best to put up 2 or more feeders that aren't visible from each other. 6. Place feeders in the same spot every year. Hummingbirds that return in the spring appear to recall where you had flowers or feeders in prior years. They have a highly developed sense of spatial memory. Once you've established feeders, the hummingbirds will return every year. 7. Put up bird baths. Hummingbirds require clean water for drinking and washing. They enjoy playing in water mists and spray. Hummingbirds need shallow water that is just 1/4 inch deep because of their small stature. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.